I'm Nish Ching, a content creator, TVC model, and a business owner as well. My husband and I run a printing business, Brand Me Manila, and we usually do corporate gifts and items like uniforms, notebooks, umbrellas with your company logo. So we usually do a lot of printings and exchange of papers from salesperson, quotation, syempre we also print invoices, to production or mga proof sheet, mga job order, ganyan, to accounting. So you can just imagine, ang dami talagang printed paper every day. Plus we also have sticker printing, flyers, and mga business cards, ganyan. Because of this, good quality printers with useful features is very important talaga. If the printer is not designed for fast or heavy printing, it would be hard for us to accommodate more orders, especially pag peak season, diba? And syempre, there are also rush orders. A lot of things in the operation can be affected and can be additional cost for us pa, diba? And if that happens, syempre, mas magiging maliit ang income. That's why I'm happy that we have the Canon PIXMA G4770 Megatank Printer. With high page yield ink bottles that can print up to 7,600 pages black and white in economy mode and up to 8,100 pages color naman in economy mode. This gives a worry-free printing feels lalo na for us who actually runs the business, diba? Because this has lower cost of inks and lower printing costs. That means bigger savings for the business. Everybody happy, diba? For those who plan to start a business, I would say that for any field of business that you're looking into, I believe this printer will help you while you're starting because the Canon PIXMA G4770 Megatank Printer is now in a very low cost of ink bottle and lower cost per print. Kaya you can push your business to the max.
Canon, delighting you always.